You're coming home with a concussion if you wear out.
You never know what you're gonna find at these places.
Look at that. That's cool.
It is cool. So there's a lot more than just cars here.
A lot more than just cars.
There are a ton of vendors. So
This is my favorite part.
So we're
Aside from the 57 Bel Airs, the swap meet is my favorite.
So we are gonna go take a look and show you what you could possibly find
in all of this.
In all of this. You feel like what?
So I love a good classic show, and I just told him that I feel like I'm like Sanford and Son. When I come out here, I'm like, yes, bring it on.
We need to we need to take the wheels off your van and replace them with one of these.
I want white wall.
How about like just the white one right here?
No. If we're gonna get new ones, I want white wall tires. Like big ones.
I mean, we have a Chrysler minivan, so I don't know if the Chevy, but I like the whole white look of that though.
I like it, but I want white wall tires.
White wall, I'm sure they got them here.
We just gotta find them.
So, what do you think of that?
Absolutely.
Bigger than I am.
It is bigger than you. You like the 7-Eleven.
I do love me a 7-Eleven.
That thing is crazy big. Look at
I
that.
feel like they have great gas prices.
They do. First thing we noticed was this vintage Corvette sign, but then
I noticed the trunk.
you did. Look at
That
that.
is really cool. I like the trunk a lot.
That is great.
The Lion King this morning when I left,
Oh.
she would flip for that lion's head.
On your journey today.
Yeah, love it.
So, what do you think of these?
I mean, I love to shop, so I'll spend money on anything.
You ain't gonna spend money on these.
Well, if you wanted it, I would.
They are pretty cool though. 1825, 1825.
I think the Dino one is really
The Dino one, probably, yeah, the Sinclair.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
And they didn't say
And I was
that.
like, I didn't ask for it.
Oh, Angry, she would love
Yeah,
that.
I found something for
How much
her.
is it?
I'm not
I went and
sure.
checked
I'll have to
with John
ask.
Lennon.
She would love that.
She would.
That's cool. So, like, it isn't just car parts here. Like,
No, you're gonna find everything.
Everything.
Like literally everything. I got
Like-
my favorite mason jar from here.
you got your favorite, like a bunch of cards here. They got comics. I just bought a Superman comic book. Like, that's what's great about that. I love these things. Oh, look at the Donald. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, she would love that. You just found another cool
If
thing.
you've got a little boy or a little boy on the way, this is what's up.
Little Harley Davidson, like rocking
Motorcycle?
rocking motorcycle.
There you go.
Davidson's son.
Those are amazing.
That's Mr. Davidson's son.
That's really cool.
How many vendors do you think are here?
A lot.
A lot. And we haven't even made it to the field on the other side of the track.
Yeah, there's a ton here.
Bunch of good stuff.
There is. There's fun stuff everywhere.
You're not finding signs like this at Target or Walmart.
That you are not.
But you can. That is cool, but look at the price.
I don't roll like that.
I don't roll like that. I wish I did though. That is one cool sign. That Ford one is great. I know all the Ford haters in this video will probably start piping up, but like I think that's super cool. Look at all the signs at this one.
I love the variety here. It's awesome.
Variety of something. That Goodyear sign, love that. That is great. You have any favorites in all of it?
I always loved about Duet.
Oh my God, yes. Ace Hardware. One day I'm gonna have to get a classic Coke sign.
All right, so like this is really cool. I actually had a tractor just like this when I was a kid.
You did
I
not.
did too. I drove it until I was way too old to be driving it. Like my knees were like busting up and it was a whole thing. But I had one just like that. But those classic looking cars, that is sweet.
Yeah, I think they're still fairly popular. People redo them and stuff.
That's really cool.
What are you doing with that?
I'm pretending to be Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz with the Tin Man. Aw, are you jealous? Aww.
You get out here. Don't forget, there's a bunch out here besides what's in the racetrack.
Yes, there's so much more
There's
out
a
here.
ton out here. Now, this vendor's smart. He just has everything inside there instead of pulling everything out. Think smarter.
Not harder, friends.
Here we go. It's like a rat rod for kids.
Danger.
And dangerous, probably, but fun. If you are a Hot Wheels fan, you are gonna find some here with these vendors.
I don't know. I didn't see the microphone test.
That's cool.
That is cool. The entire dashboard right there.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
They want money every
My heart always has a special place for model cars. My grandpa, dad, uncle, they were always putting models together. I bet they do really well at these shows. So this is super cool. McDonald's put these cards out back in 93, 94. So the vendors, the swap meet here
It's
at
my
the
favorite part.
Yeah.
I live for this part. This is what I look forward to every time.
It is great. You're gonna find something. We have found all kinds of
kinds of fun
goodies.
things.
Yeah, so make sure there's still one more day. Today's Friday.
Yes, get out here, come look at all the swap meet stuff, bring some cash, have a blast.
You will. Bye, y'all.
Bye.